Hello, it's AliMECH. Have you turned off your Toyota Camry and after a while you hear a sound in the dashboard? What is that sound? Is that normal? Should you be concerned about it? So in today's video, we're gonna find that out. It's been a requested video, even I didn't know what is that sound. So when you turn off your car, after 43 seconds you will hear a clicking sound. This is an electrical relay under the steering wheel. And then after 20 seconds, in total from beginning it will be 63 seconds and you will hear the sound. So after investigating for a while with the endoscope camera, I found out it was the ventilation door. When you turn off the car, after 63 seconds it will bring the ventilation door to this position. So if it was on any of those, it will bring it to this position. But if it was on this position, you won't hear that sound because it's already on that position. And the reason why I think it puts on that position every time you turn off the car, to let the air kind of circulate and let it open, so the air not being trapped and cause musty smell if you are living in high humidity place. And if you have a bad air conditioning smell, I recently did a video how to use AC cleaner the right way. The video link will be in the description box below and YouTube card if you wanna check it out. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.